So Hexagon is primarily into quality improvement and productivity improvement tools, from primarily on the software side. So we engage customers on product quality improvement right from the product development stage. So at that stage, we help with our simulation technologies to help customers simulate various scenarios, multiple failure modes, and see how the product can be further improved. Next stage is on manufacturing. So in the manufacturing stage, we help our customers in process automation, acquisition of quality control data from the measuring instruments, and analyze those data and provide feedback to the operator whether they need to further optimize the process. Coming to supply chain, that's a very essential element of our solution. We create a collaborative platform for our customers where the suppliers of our customers can collaborate with the OEM to share quality related information and inform the OEMs well in advance if there are any expected quality related challenges. And on the customer usage side, we help customers gather the feedback of the product usage from the customers and help them further take those feedback into consideration while product development. Right. So the biggest challenge with the customers in maintaining product quality is that quality as a function is not kind of created by one single department, right? Quality is born right from the stage when the product is even conceptualized. So you have to kind of take care of quality processes right from the product conceptualization, product design, manufacturing, supply chain, and even customer usage, right? Now, this basically means that any quality improvement initiative has to run across the organization, and that's where the first challenge comes. By nature, companies, organizations are kind of divided in departments, and each department tends to work in a silo. And that creates a problem that each department then tends to have their own processes, but unfortunately they don't realize that all these would result to a poor quality to the end customer. The second biggest challenge is that the supply chain in India needs a lot of improvement, and that's again a challenge which India needs to address. That how do you kind of uplift the level of suppliers to start producing global quality products? So I would say Indian companies today need a wholesale change in a culture. In fact, they need to start inculcating a culture of quality within the organization. Just to give you an example, today if you see, you look at German companies or Japanese companies, they are known for the quality of the products which they produce. And much of that can be attributed to the culture of quality which has been existing there for decades, right? So the time has come that Indian companies also start to build that culture. And I can, from my side, recommend 4 ways in which Indian companies can start fostering the culture of quality. First is people involvement. Now, people are the most essential element of any organization, and if you don't have quality people, then obviously you can't do much. So the leadership teams have to get involved, start hiring the right people, and most importantly start communicating to everyone at all levels that quality is a collective responsibility and it's not a responsibility of just the quality department per se, right? Second is automation and robotization is extremely essential. Now, human obviously has got their own limitation, that they can do certain things to a certain level of accuracy, and that too repeatability becomes a challenge. So robotization kind of helps you in this aspect where you can do things repeatedly in a perfect quality and perfect way. Third thing is you need to start defining organizational wise processes and KPIs, and then automate them on a quality management platform. So this, according to me, are the essential tenets of creating a culture of quality within an organization.